on the water, you know, this boiling. Oh, it's ready. Now you can put the shrimp. No, excuse me. Now that you can put it a little low, you know, you can put it at 3, you know. So in there, you can add some salt, pepper, because you know you don't want to make olive oil. So, oh wait, oh shit, that was on the wrong one. No, don't put olive oil. It was on pepper too, just a little bit. You can start pouring the mix, you know. Yeah, like that. What the fuck, you want to show my titty or what? It's not bad. I thought it was gonna be bad. So now the shrimp is ready, you know, as you can see. Oh shit. Oh shit, it went in my hand. Let this rinse somewhere. Gravity, yeah. I thought it was gonna be there, yeah.